What's up, my people? Yo, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you just see my face for the first time, you are so welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. In today's video, I am gonna be applying some beautiful ingredients on my face like toothpaste and tomato, and let's see how this is just gonna be on my face. Like, I'm so super excited to show you this. Alright, so if you want to see this, please do continue watching, and also don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, that's if you're new, and also turn on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you won't miss any of my videos. If you have personal curious or beauty questions you want to ask me, endeavor to ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be at my comment section, and in my website there are tons of ingredients for sale. Alright, so you don't need to stress yourself no more. Just go to my website and you're going to be seeing those ingredients so you can purchase them. Alright, the link will be at my comment section. It's a spin down there. Visit my vlog channel, there are tons of beautiful videos there. I'm sure you're going to be loving that channel too. Alright guys, so let's jump into this video. The first ingredients, we're going to be needing toothpaste, and as I always say, Colgate is always preferably because it contains an ingredient that would help to shrink the size of pores. It helps to remove acne, and it also helps to heal the skin. I'm going to be pressing in a good amount of toothpaste into the bowl. And the next ingredients, we're going to be needing tomato. Tomato juice works as an excellent astringent, and also it contains vitamin C that helps to lighten the skin. It shrinks large pores, it removes excessive and unwanted hair, it glows the skin, removes pigmentation. Tomato juice contains vitamins that is perfect in glowing the skin. And for the tomato, I'm gonna be creating this, and I would love to do that in a circular motion so it can be properly blended. Alright, so it will be as if I blended it with a blender. I'm gonna be turning in the tomato into the paste. The next ingredients, we're going to be needing some capsule of vitamin E. Vitamin E accelerates the healing of a damaged skin. It prevents scars from becoming permanent. It contains antioxidants that keeps the skin hydrated and help repair damaged tissues and cells on the skin. It removes dead skin cells, brightens the skin, and it also helps to glow the skin, lock in moisture, and give you a younger looking skin. For the vitamin E, we're going to be needing 2 capsules of that, and I'm going to be cutting it with my little tiny scissors and pressing in the content into this. Now I would blend all this together. It can be a little foamy because of the toothpaste. And here is my treatment. So here is my treatment, my toothpaste and tomato. Now I love this treatment. I just love to apply this onto my skin. Alright, so I'm going to be applying this with a brush. Now you can apply with anything you have, okay? The ideal time to apply this treatment on the face is in the morning, because it's just going to help to wake up your skin It's going to also help to close large open pores, and it's going to help to remove pimples, blackheads, and also whiteheads. Now if you have whiteheads, you can, you know, use a very mild sponge or a toothbrush. For me, I just love to use toothbrush in applying, in removing whiteheads or blackheads. That's if I have one. Alright, sometimes I used to experience that too. So I'll just use that to, you know, remove it, and it's just gonna be perfect. So after applying this generously onto the face, you can leave it on for like 1 minute or 30 seconds. Alright, and after that you go wash it off. Always wash your face with a toilet soap. It's going to help to glow your skin, and it's going to help the treatment to work even better. Okay, so after 30 seconds I'm going to go wash this off, like no wasting of time. So I'll be right back. Okay, so basically that's how we roll, that's how I take care of my skin, that's how I glow, that's how I love using natural stuff. Like, it gives me joy, it gives me pleasure. It just renew my skin, it clear all manner of pimples, dark spots. Sometimes I do have pimples on my face, but trust me, in 2 days it is gone. Why? Because of all this natural stuff. So go try it out. Alright, so if you do find this video interesting yet helpful, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's if you're new, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you won't miss any of my videos. If you have any personal, curious, or beauty questions you want to ask me, endeavor to ask all of your questions on my website, and also purchase some natural ingredients on my website. Alright, the link will be at my comment section. It is pinned down there. Also visit my vlog channel. There are tons of beautiful videos there. The link will be at my description box, and I'll see you soon in my next video, guys. Stay beautiful. Bye.